Sound check, check. Mic, mic, 1, 2. Sound check, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Sound check. Hey. Hi, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And this is Rose Velasquez. And this is the part 2 of the unboxing. This Shure microphone UK 2020. And ayun, actually, this is the reason why I still have the makeup. I tried it kanina on my live stream and it didn't sound good. And I'm doing this so you could actually hear kung ano yung magiging sound niya since hindi naman kayo nanood ng Kumu. And please don't forget to download it and follow Rose Velasquez, guys. You're gonna see me perform there with a lot of other artists. And so yeah, that's all you have to do. And yeah, so let's see. I have the transmitter receiver here. And actually, this is not included, by the way. This is mine. So I'll just put it here. Since the last time kasi, this is low bat. So chinarge ko muna siya. And it's working. There's gain 1 and 2. Ta-da! As you can see, I hope you guys can see that. And there's on and off and DC. This is where I charge the uh this. Yeah, ganun. So ayan. On. You can see it's blue. That's that's how it is when you turn it on. So you see the green and the blue. So ayan nga. Okay, I have to ito pala. Ito pala guys. You just have to turn it on and then that's it. So let me turn it off first. Hindi pa naman kasi nakasaksak. So okay, here it goes. Oh wait, I have to lower the volume. Baka kasi may sumabog. All right, it's in, guys. Guys, it's in. Ayun. I'm going to turn it on. Hindi makita. So, ayan. On na siya. And I'm going to check this microphone. Ta-da! Okay, now it's on. By the way, this microphone that I'm using is BM8000, I think. Yeah, I think so. If this is the Shure, I'm going to try it. I think dito kasi kailangan ko pa siyang i-adjust to sound better. Okay, as you can see on the other camera. Okay, this is the sound of BM8000. And this is the sound. Why? So, okay, this is the sound of the Shure UK-20. And let's see if it can sound better. Sound check, check, mic 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. There you have it. Sound hey, check. Ayun, medyo ngongo talaga siya. Para ka may sipon. So, sound check, 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 microphone. So that's how it is. Sound, 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 check, check. It's better when it's up. So this doesn't do anything pretty much. So I just have to do lower yung bass. Sound, 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 sound. So I have to put the bass really low. Okay. The effects naman tayo sa reverb. Sound, sound, sound. Check, check, check. Microphone. Sound, hey, hey. All I hear is raindrops falling on the rooftop. Check microphone sound, hey. Ooh, antinis, guys. Wait. Sound, hey, ayun. Ooh, I sounded really nice. Okay, okay, this is without a reverb, and this is how it is. And all I hear these raindrops falling on the rooftop. Ooh, baby, tell me why do you had to go? 'Cause this pain I feel it won't go away. And today I'm, I'm officially missing you. I thought this from this heartache I could escape. So yeah, mm, let's finish it. So hello, hello, sound check, 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 microphone. Sound hey, sobrang tinas without the bass. So yeah, there you have it. You guys have to decide what should I do with the microphone? Should I bring it back, get a refund, or it's not actually that expensive, but I know it's sobrang mura niya. So you get what you pay for. But it's okay. I think for, yung mag-MC ka, but if you're actually particular with the sound, so I think you better buy some good stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this uh vlog, my very second vlog, and I hope you guys could subscribe, and please don't forget to click the notification bell, by the way. And please follow me on my social media account. Once again, my name is Rose Velasquez, and dakal salamat everyone for watching.